If you don't know the reason for a thing, if you don't know the reason why a thing exists, there's a 90% chance you'll somehow find yourself abusing it. I want to drive this point home by using this right here. And everyone here is familiar with the drug cocaine. Some of you, if you're like me, I've had people close to me that have been hooked on this powerful drug. So I know firsthand all too well how powerful and how debilitating this drug can be. But did you know that when this drug is used according to its medical grade purpose, the doctors use this drug on a daily basis to save millions and millions of lives? Millions of lives. You see, doctors will use this drug on a daily basis as an anesthetic in different types of surgeries. So on one end of the spectrum, we see a powerful drug being used according to its designed purpose, where it's saving millions of lives. But on the other end, we see where someone doesn't know the real reason why the drug exists, and we see it destroying houses, communities, families, children on a daily basis. And listen, we can go farther than that. Because again, if you don't know the reason for a thing, there's a 90% chance it's going to end up in abuse. So if you don't know the reason for alcohol, there's a reason why we have alcohol abuse. If you don't know the reason why you're allowed to have a pet, then you end up with animal abuse. If you don't know the reason why you're blessed enough to have kids, whether you have them naturally or whether you adopt them, then you end up with child abuse. And if you don't know the reason why you're blessed to have a spouse, then we see folks end up in spousal abuse. I'm going to say it again because it's powerful. If you don't know the reason for why a thing exists, if you don't know the reason for it, there is a 90% chance you'll somehow end up abusing it. And originally when I thought about this speech on my way here, I was going to wrap it right here. But something was just kind of gnawing at me as I started to pull up. And I can't end this speech without at least taking it here. And I hope that it affects somebody positively when you leave out of here. Matter of fact, I hope it shakes somebody to its core. Because I've done all this talk about purpose. But let's be real here. 7 billion people walk the planet every day. Every day we wake up, we go to jobs, we coincide with each other. Some of us are fathers, some of us are mothers, some of us are doctors, firefighters, some of us are bosses. 7 billion people walk the planet every day, and you are blessed to be one of them. Do you know your purpose? Do you know the reason why you're here? You see, the God I serve, I don't believe makes any type of cosmic accidents. I don't believe the God I serve slipped on some giant banana peel in the middle of the sky and you just popped out because of it. There's a reason why you were put on this planet. There's a reason for why you're here right now. Do you know your purpose? As a child growing up between the age of 0 up to about 26, I had no clue what my purpose was. So while I was never someone who was into alcohol or drugs, I spent a lot of my time messing around with women, club hopping, taking jobs that had nothing to do with my purpose. I found myself here, there, and it was solely because I didn't know what I was put on this planet to do. If you don't know the reason for a thing, if you don't know the reason why you've been given life, there's a 90% chance you'll end up somehow abusing it. So let me ask you this important question right now. Do you know your purpose? Have you thought about your purpose? I told you earlier about this powerful drug known as cocaine. And I showed you exactly how, on one end of the spectrum, that drug is designed to save millions of lives on a daily basis. But I also showed you on the opposite end of the spectrum how this drug can be used in the negative sense when someone has no idea what it's used for. And we see how it destroys lives. Let's take your purpose for a second. What if your exact purpose on this planet was similar to the usage of this drug? Meaning if you learn how to embrace your purpose, if you learn how to walk in your purpose, if you learn how to step in your purpose, you're completing your task, your mission, your destiny, in some positive way affects millions and millions of people for the better. But if you sit around neglecting your purpose, if you sit around deciding to throw it on the back burner and live life to the fullest without understanding that you were put here for exact reason, you may be the key crucial element that costs people millions and millions of lives and heartache. Don't believe me? Take a look at Martin Luther King. For a second here, because of the atmosphere of the room, where would we be right now if he neglected his purpose? And it spins off bigger than that. Because the African American movement that we had actually spurned off the women's movement. So what would have happened if he decided to neglect his purpose and do whatever it is he wanted to do instead of embracing his calling? If you don't know the reason for a thing, if you don't know the reason why a thing exists, there is a 90% chance you'll somehow find yourself abusing it. Do you know your purpose? My name is Kareem Ray Ellis. Thank you.